Tired of dry, dull skin or dark spots that won't go away? In this video, I'll show you how to make a natural vitamin C night moisturizer using simple ingredients from your kitchen. This rich cream hydrates, brightens, and repairs your skin while you sleep. No chemicals, just glow. In a clean bowl, melt the shea butter or coconut oil if it's solid. Add 1 teaspoon of orange peel powder and mix well. Add 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel and a few drops of rose water. Break open 1 vitamin E capsule and mix the oil into the cream. Whip or stir everything until smooth and creamy. Apply this cream every night on clean skin. Take a small amount and massage it into your face and neck in upward circular motions. Let it absorb overnight for nourished, glowing skin by morning. Store your DIY moisturizer in a clean jar, preferably in the fridge. Use it within 10 to 12 days for maximum freshness. Great for all skin types, especially dry and uneven skin. And that's your homemade vitamin C night cream, simple, nourishing, and full of glow. Let me know in the comments how it worked for your skin.